Hey guys, what's up? Give it this live some time to start. Appreciate you joining. All right, I'm just gonna get going, guys. Today is one of our after program cloud task skill training program. I'm gonna get into some overviews today and talk about why we're here live, why we're going to be live every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. A little bit changing the format. We're going to move from an hour-and-a-half session to a 30-minute session. Traditionally, this was meant to be training, but we've decided to bring our training into the daytime for those that can't join after work hours and make it a little bit more private. But for those joining, you might be asking yourself, what is CloudTask? CloudTask is a GTM, RevOps, and AI-powered talent marketplace. We also have software and services, but we mainly focus on talent. You might ask yourself what GTM stands for, and that stands for go-to-market. RevOps is a new category. AI-powered really refers to people that are certified in tools like N8N, ChatGPT, even which has certification. Overall, just learning and becoming certified and going through training and using technologies that everybody uses daily. So just to dive into, that's what CloudTask is. One of our features is that we have a program. This program I'm showing you right now is called the CloudTask Skill Bridge Training Program. And it's really designed to help bridge the training and the exposure to software tools that are being created every day from some amazing companies, and getting them into the hands of you, the talent, or the users, or companies that are going to be hiring talent and then adopting their software. And right now, we're trying to be that bridge so that you guys can get access to it, certified and hired. So I'm going to keep on moving, right? And I kind of went over this. Just in general, the program itself is free. For those of you that are signed up to CloudTask, we work as a marketplace model. So when you get hired, we earn with you when you guys land these jobs and get paid through our marketplace. So all the training up front, all the access to the community is absolutely free. There's no charges. And essentially structuring a path for you guys to get hired faster. In go-to-market, in RevOps and GTM, there's over 130 titles that you guys are very familiar with. After this, I'm going to send an email to our newsletter, which is also going to be in the comments below, which is our community. And essentially, a lot of the jobs are familiar to what you know. Take SDR, for example, sales development rep. In the future, that might be a AI-enabled, Salesfinity certified AI SDR, somebody who's using technology to enhance their skill, right? So a lot of these titles, a lot of these new positions are, they're actually going to be the titles that become of the jobs that get replaced with AI and automation. So this is really a good program for everybody who's not only currently actively working a remote, but if you're breaking into remote, it's great to start with what's current, what's new, and what's in demand. Learning AI technology, guys, I think it goes without saying that that's the present we're living in. If you don't have ChatGPT, I'd be very surprised. And if you do, you guys know that we're living in a new world, right? Anybody who's got AI skills, it's going to increase your value in the GTM and RevOps industry. That's just the bottom line. If you guys get certified in things like DataBar, Ample Market, Salesfinity, all these names, you guys are going to be able to find jobs faster, and you're also going to be able to retain more as a salary, right? Certifications, they stay with you. So when you get these certifications, they can live on your profile and they can last for a long time. They're obviously going to increase your speed and really help with that story of why you guys should get hired in days, not months. And a lot of it has to do with making your job faster and more efficient, right? So AI is either going to be replacing people with jobs, or it's going to get replaced by people using AI, right? So that's this whole point of why we're doing this. The tools that guys that we're going to go over this month, we're going to go over Ample Market. Ample Market is a awesome AI powered, I would call it, sales engagement platform. Many different ways to name these platforms, but it's a powerful tool. We'll get into it deeper. DataBar is another very powerful tool that we love and use every day. Salesfinity, they're out there powering dials and learning from their technologies, and they're awesome. Salesbot.io and AimFox are the tools this month that we're going to be sharing and training 3 days a week. I'm going to share more information about that too, but those are going to be more intimate, more private, more a Google Meet, not live on LinkedIn, where we're actually going to be getting exposure to the actual universities of these companies and getting you guys certified. So just diving deep into Ample Market, guys, super good with building lists, sequencing, and testing. It has a lot of capabilities when it comes to customer success, RevOps, GTM positions. These are tools that can automate on triggers, right? So people are leaving comments in G2 Crowd or they're posting in Reddit. It's got a lot of use cases, a lot of applications. A DataBar is a Clay alternative that's up and coming on the scene. This really teaches you how to dive deeper and enrich traditional data lists with hard to find contacts that are contacted less often and therefore have better response rates. It's really data mining 2.0, right? Salesfinity is hands down an amazing, like one of the best tools out there if you're calling and good with having conversations and building relationships using the phones. So that's a quick deep dive. And then Danny Agudelo, guys, who's not here today, he's going to be he is our VP of Global Talent, and he's going to be in our community, which is a WhatsApp community. He communicates on the newsletter, and he's going to help you guys. So if you guys need to sign up to build a strong profile, if you want to get a top rated plus profile, we help you with interview preparations, community skills, how to stand out to hiring managers, the tools you need to use. And we're also going to be emailing this guys with more precise dates, but we're going to be doing training 3 days a week. And then Danny Agudelo, 2 days a week, is going to be doing overall training on the actual marketplace. So it's going to be 3 days a week training on how to become a GTM leader, exposure to the tools I shared with you. And then Danny Agudelo is going to have 2 days of training where he is getting into how to set up your marketplace profile, how to get top rated, how to interview, those type of things. So guys, if you're open to learning AI and getting jobs and being part of a community, I invite you guys to go to cloudtest.com, create your free profile, join our WhatsApp group and our newsletter for updates, attend our live sessions, and update your profiles, guys. If you're top rated plus, I'm easy to reach in WhatsApp, and we can go over how to start applying and interviewing and landing your awesome new dream job in days, not months, which is our logo here. So I appreciate everybody for attending this short but concise and to the point meeting. And I look forward to sharing more of the details about how you could join the program. And until next time, sayonara. Have a nice day.